Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a photo gallery in WordPress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to WordPress. After you have successfully signed in, you will be directed to your account's dashboard. In this area, look for a section called Quick Links. Within Quick Links, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to enter the site editor interface where you can modify your site's appearance and add content. Once you are in the site editor, direct your attention toward the top left corner of your screen. There, you will see a plus icon. When you click the plus icon, a panel will appear that invites you to search for different types of content blocks. In the search box that becomes available, type the word Gallery. When the gallery block appears on your screen, click on it to begin customizing your photo gallery. After selecting the gallery block, you can proceed to add your photos. The interface will provide you with options regarding how to incorporate your images. Look for a button that says Select Images. When you click on this button, you will be taken to your media library where all your available images are stored. Review your collection and select the photos you wish to showcase in your gallery. With your photos selected, click Create a New Gallery option to compile your selected images into a gallery structure. Finally, with your gallery assembled, conclude the process by clicking on the Insert Gallery button. And that's it. So that is how you can create a photo gallery in WordPress. So that's all for this video. Thanks.